All right, y'all, so I don't really do lip gloss because I feel like my lips are too big, but I ordered this lip gloss from my sis at KSG Cosmetics, and baby, y'all can't tell me it ain't giving. I like this lip gloss, but anyway. Big boss, big boss, big boss, big, big boss, big boss, big boss, big, big boss, big. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Karlisa. I do hair videos, beauty videos, fashion videos, and entrepreneur vlogs. So yeah, if you're interested in any of that kind of stuff, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and join the clique. We would love to have you join. So you guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this look right here, honey. So yeah, if you're interested in this hair, make sure that you stay tuned. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Hi you guys, so I am back with yet another video. First, let me start out by saying Happy New Year. I am so very sorry for being gone for so long, but I promise y'all I have all the tea. I'm going to give you guys a full business update in maybe the next video, I think. But I kind of wanted to get this wig first so that I could look like something for y'all. So yeah, you guys, I'm going to give you guys a full update on what has been going on. You guys are going to be so very happy and so very proud of me. But I am coming back with some new content, you guys. I'm refreshed and I'm ready to give you guys some more info on how to run your business, some more hair content, ciao, all of it, okay? So you guys, today I'm going to be putting on a wig. It's gonna be a headband wig. I'm sure you guys are tired of these videos because literally everybody's doing them, but I didn't do one yet, so it ain't over. At first, I didn't want to do them because everybody was on them, but I don't know, y'all. It just made sense now that I think about it. I can't really slay a human hair lace front wig, so why not get a headband wig when you can just slay your edges? Okay, so it just made sense. Anyway, so the headband wig I'm going to be wearing today is by VIVIBABI Hair. Thank you so much, VIVIBABI Hair, for sending me this unit. So you guys, I'm really excited because I've seen quite a few reviews on this unit and they're all really good. This hair is great quality, but every review about this hair was good. So I'm really excited to be bringing you guys this video today. I decided to put it on camera just so you guys could figure this out with me and see everything and see how easy this is to slay. I mean, at least they said it was easy to slay. So we're going to put that to the test today, okay? I got a 22-inch water wave unit. So you guys, if you have not seen these wigs yet, or do you live under a rock? That's number one. But the construction of the cap is really simple, you guys. So it's very unique. It comes with a headband, right? And on the other side of the headband is a Velcro strap, like so, like that. So there's two combs at the side, one in the middle, and then there's one comb in the back. I'm gonna just slap it on my head and see what it's hitting for. Ooh, child. Everybody complains that these wigs are too big for their head, but baby, I got a big head, I got a lot of hair, and I don't know how to cornrow. So honestly, you guys, it fits me perfectly, actually. Wow. But they also said that these straps were too big, so let's see. Oh yeah, baby, look at that. What's that holding on to? What's that gonna do? What's that gonna do? You have to use the combs, otherwise the wig is gonna slide back. Because like I said, this literally doesn't do a damn thing, okay? But ooh, first of all, let's get into this texture. So like I said, this is a water wave unit, y'all, and look at these waves. I thought I was gonna come on here and like want to wet the wig, but y'all, it's giving already. Like I haven't done anything and it's giving. So I'm gonna go ahead, and you want to flip this headband in half so that you have the room to put on a actual headband. I mean, if you want to wear it the full headband out like that, you can, but I recommend at least folding it so that you can't see where the hair is attached to the headband. I don't know, like this doesn't look seamless to me, so let me go ahead and try the headbands that they gave me. This wig came with some wig caps as well. I forgot to mention that, you guys. And then they also gave me 3 headbands, so let's get into them. Oh yeah, it looks much more seamless with a headband. That's how long the wig is, by the way, y'all. So I just feel like it looks a bit more seamless with a decorated headband as opposed to the regular headband that the wig comes with. I like this a lot better, you guys. All right, let me go ahead and get into the next headband. This is so pretty. Period. Y'all, I feel like, all right, so I was definitely asleep on these headband wigs, y'all. I like this. This is a vibe. This is high-key a vibe, y'all. Like, this is like a, you know, you literally put it on and go. And with me being so freaking busy, y'all, like, it's just perfect. Not with this headband being so small. Like, for me personally, I'm the type of person, like, I'm always on the go, y'all. So I need stuff like this that just, it's so simple that I can just put it on and go about my business. Hold on, there's one more headband I want to try before I start talking about the wig. I got these fuzzy headbands from a black-owned business called So Dreamy Boutique. I'll leave their Instagram on the screen. She doesn't even know I'm doing this. I just bought this because I knew I was getting the headband wig and I wanted to give it a shot. So let's see. Oh yeah, this is cute. Guys, this is cute. I like this a lot. I knew it would look cute with the headband wig and the look I was going for. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, hold on, let me try the beige. Guys, these are adorable. These are only $5.99 on her website. And they're really good quality. I like these a lot. I thought this would be really cute for the winter time, just to give the wig a little something. So yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna put back on the pink one because I feel like that's even cuter. So let's go ahead and get into the specs once again. So again, this is a headband wig. I got this from VIVIBABI Hair. VIVIBABI Hair is a seller on Amazon, actually. So I believe this wig is Amazon Prime. So if you have a Prime account, you would get the wig in 2 days. This is their 22-inch water wave unit. And as you can see, you guys, the texture right out the box is everything. What I love about the unit, I believe it's 150% density, but as you can see, the unit is very thick. The unit is very thick and it doesn't feel heavy at all. It literally doesn't even feel like I'm wearing anything. If you have a smaller head, it doesn't even matter what size your head is. You need to use the combs, otherwise the wig will slide back. I've watched so many reviews where people try not to use the combs and the wig is literally sliding off their head. That's a way to combat the wig falling off and being too big. But yeah, I don't have any cons to this wig other than I wish that the back piece was a little smaller. I personally don't like my wigs to feel snug. That's just me. I get headaches easy and stuff like that. So I just wish it was a tad tighter. Y'all, I love this. This is so simple and easy, you guys. This is perfect for me because I don't know how to slay human hair lace fronts. So yeah, me just having to lay my own baby hairs and then go about my business is perfect. Like, this unit is perfect for me. So yeah, I would strongly recommend, if you have the same issue or if you're just looking for something quick and easy to put on while you're on the go, this is definitely like a good unit. The unit is affordable as well. I'll put the price on the screen as well. And it also, of course, depends on the inches that you choose. But I personally chose 22 inches and it's literally exactly how I wanted it. Look at this. It's the exact length that I wanted. It's super lightweight and super soft, you guys. I love how soft this hair is. I can't express that enough. I'm gonna go ahead and insert some clips of what the hair looks like wet. I'm not gonna wet it because I have some pictures to take real quick. Make sure that you shop VIVIBABI Hair. I will be sure to leave all the links down below for you guys as well. Okay guys, so I just finished my photo shoot for my brand. If you don't follow my brand, baby, at K-Lavish Collections on Instagram, website's always in the description box. Yeah guys, so now that I'm done with my photo shoot, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the hair looks like wet as promised. Even though I really like the texture as it is. Because I love y'all, I'm going to go ahead and wet this unit. Okay, y'all, so now that I'm wetting it, I'm getting some shedding. But look at that. Ooh, purr. Feelings don't need no pieces. This is what the texture looks like wet. This is what it looks like fresh out of the box. They still look quite similar. Dang, I just wet my edges, y'all. Well, we're about to have to cut this video short before it stops giving what it's giving, okay, honey? Because they already lifting. Yeah, y'all, it's shedding now that I'm wetting it and running my hands through it. But it's nothing crazy. I mean, the hair is fresh out the box, so I do expect it to, you know. So the only other mousse I could find besides the Nairobi one is the Aunt Jackie's setting mousse. I'm gonna just put a little bit, you know what I mean? And I overdid it like I said I would. But yeah, I just want to put a little bit of product in it so that the curls can hold a tad. Oh my gosh, this is giving. Can y'all see that? Y'all, I love this hair, okay? Buy this hair. Buy this hair. Remember I told you to buy this hair. Look at that. Here's what the hair looks like now that it is soaking wet, baby. I love, love, love this texture, y'all. I can't say that enough. Y'all, the hair is such great quality. I mean, if you couldn't tell already. And it's affordable, okay? It's affordable. So yeah, you really can't go wrong with this wig, y'all. So yeah, this wig gets a 10 out of 10 for me personally. I love the quality of the hair. I love how easy it is to put the headband on. You just gotta slay your edges and go. The wig sheds a bit. Again though, this is curly hair, so curly hair does shed. It's unrealistic for y'all to think that a wig is not going to shed. The hair on your own head sheds, so yeah, but it doesn't shed too bad. Basically guys, you need this wig, period. So yeah, I absolutely love the hair, absolutely love the length, the density, everything, the natural shine on it, the shine that it has now that it's wet. Don't look at my edges, y'all, they're starting to come up now that I've been messing with this wig so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there was any questions that I did not answer, please make sure that you leave them down below and I will get back to you ASAP, okay? My phone is always in my hand. I'll be trying to get back to y'all comments as soon as possible. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.